excited. My superhero September kit came. Let me show you what comes inside when you order your own superhero kit. First, there'll be a letter to the adult telling you who we are and what's inside your kit. Then the children get their own personalized letter from the characters of character. You get your own superhero mask. Mine is yellow, this one's red. Colors will vary. Then inside you get your very own little easel like this, and you're going to paint. I am super. This is how I painted mine. Fun to do, great reminder that you are super. I used the back of my paintbrush, which comes with your kit, for my little polka dots. You're also going to get paints. Comes in a little container just like these. Colors will vary. And then you're going to get your own poster of all the characters of character dressed in their superhero capes. Plus your very own superhero activity book. So here's your book, and your box is pretty special too. Here's your top, where you can keep all your things inside, but look at the back. You have your very own poster for this as well. So together, let's make the world super.